proceed the next player. Okay po ba yun, mga Jolly Kids?
Yes.
Yes! Kaya naman, the Jollibee Shoot and Pinoy start in 3, 2, 1, go! Jolly, 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 Jump Bigger!
Hamburger, alive, shoot.
Jolly Spaghetti! Kuya Maestro! Alright! Next player para kay Ate Glenn! Ate Shoira, yes! Chicken Joy and Jolly Spaghetti! Next player para kay Ate Shoira! Umahabol ang Ate Larissa! Jolly, Jolly,
Ayan, next player, Ate Shaira. Ayan.
Best friend Jollibee, narito na. Hey kids, come with me.
Hamburger, chicken joy, Jolly Spaghetti.
Last player para kay Ate Clarissa! Hamburger, Chicken Joy and Jolly Spaghetti! Tuloy mo yung mga story? Yes! We are going!
Ayan, we have our winning team. Siyempre, dyan ay sa group ni Ate Clarissa. Na naman.